Your learning doesn't stop when you finish the course. You continue to learn with support from the owners and others in the group. And I think all of this taken together has really helped me on my journey at the trading field. And again, the trading field is the only trading community that I would want to be a part of. Hey everyone, my name is Zeenat and I have been a member of the trading field for more than a year now. And prior to joining the trading field, I had never traded before. I didn't know how to look at a chart, what a candlestick was, what pips were. I literally had zero knowledge of Forex, and I've gone from that to a profitable trader in my time with the trading field. Now, there are so many things that you get with the trading field that I'm sure have helped me on my journey, but I'll limit it to speaking about just 3. Now, the first is that as a member of the trading field, you're part of a group on Telegram of other traders and members. Now, outside of the trading field, I'm a teacher, so I have knowledge of how people learn. And one of the key ways in which we learn is through collaborative learning as part of a community of peers. And this is exactly what this group offers. Within this group, we each share what is working for us, what's not working for us. We'll share which markets we're looking at and why, and we'll ask questions, and they are always answered either by other members or by the owners themselves. And the group basically serves as a constant source of encouragement and support, and also like a cheer squad when you're having a really good day. And I think it really helps me and has helped me to feel like I'm not alone in trading and that there are other people who are also learning with me. As a member of the trading field, you have constant mentorship. So if you have any questions at all, whether it's on strategy or a specific market, or managing a trade, or managing your emotions, and Matt and Yasser are always there, and they always get back to you almost immediately. Either they'll send you a detailed message or voice note, or they'll make you a video specific to your question. And basically, I've never asked a question and not received a thorough and helpful answer. Finally, as a member of the trading field, you get constant educational videos. So at the start of every week, we get a market breakdown, which will be an analysis of 8 to 10 markets that Matt has looked at. And within this video, you will get a clear analysis of the bias on each of these markets. Then we'll get areas to sell and buy at, and an explanation of the thought process behind all of this. But that's not all. Throughout the week, we'll get constant videos. So the videos might be like a breakdown of a trade that the owners have taken that week, or a detailed breakdown and analysis on a market that they're looking at on that day. So you can also be aware of what we expect this market to do, and you can place your own trades. And you also get constant videos relating to strategy. And the benefit of all of this is that your learning doesn't stop when you finish the course. You continue to learn with support from the owners and others in the group. And I think all of this taken together has really helped me on my journey at the trading field. And again, the trading field is the only trading community that I would want to be a part of. And I'd recommend it to anyone who's either new to trading or just wants to improve.